So with these parameters, what I'm going to do is I'll be passing some kind of value 1, value 2 and sum to these parameters. So I'm going to ex2 my secondary script, and I'm going to pass number 30 and 40, and the sum will be 70. So let's say whether it's working or not. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it's working fine. It's entering first value as 40 and second value is first value is 30, second value is 40, and it's verifying 70. So what it does means it's getting value 1 as 30 and value 2 as 40 and sum as 70. So this is at the moment I have done the parameterized thing. So now what I'm going to do is I will be creating a small notepad and add some values, and this kind of a data driven testing, so we need to have some kind of data test. So in that case I will say my val1 and val2 and sum. So I'll be adding 2 3 6 and 4 5 9, and again 10 11, it's 21, right? 21, then 100, 300, and sorry, 200 and 300. So this is my data file. At the moment I have this kind of data. So let's say another row. uh, 5 5 5 1 5 5 5 6. So this is my data file. I have value 1, so this is value 1. So when I'm clicking the button, if I add this value 1 and value 2, it means the sum should be 6, and if it is 4 and 5, it should be 9. So like that, this is my variables. uh, so what I'm going to do is I'll be saving this on my desktop or in NVIDIA, but you should need to save this as CSV. I'll be say ex dot CSV. Yeah, I'll be saving it on here, and I will save it. Yeah, I have already saved it, and I'm going to browse that file. Oh god. Yeah, this is my file. Yeah, this is my file. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply drag and drop my file to this test one, which is what I'm working right now. So I will be say copy that file. So as you can see, the file is there. You can simply open it through in place editor. uh, if it is taking much time, yeah, here you can see these are the values. So what I'm going to do is I need to grab the values inside this exe file, this csv file, to my parameterized test cases. So in order to do that, I have to do a small thing, that is need to change this width to this run to run with. Yeah, run with, and the argument will be ex.csv. So what we can do is simply save these things and record what will happen. Yeah, now you can see it's running 2 4 it's 6, and next it's 4 5 it's 9. Yeah, it's running well. And 10 11 21 100. Yeah, here you can see the console, it's getting all the things. So there are 6 lines on my csv file. It's running all 6 lines. Yeah, see, you can see that, sorry, the 5 records, there are 5 records, and it says it's passed. So guys, this is what Monkey Talk IDE. So you can do so many things using this thing, and wish you good luck.